We spent weeks testing pellet stoves in real-world conditions, from chilly mountain cabins to drafty basements, to find out which ones actually deliver heat, efficiency, and value. Whether you're heating a full home or prepping for off-grid adventures, these 5 stoves stood out in performance, design, and smart features. Let's dive in. We tested the standard HP22 in a large open-plan home, and it didn't flinch. It shares the same 50,000 BTU output as the HP22N, but comes with a slightly smaller 55-pound hopper. Still, it ran for hours without needing a refill. The build quality is solid, and the programmable thermostat made it easy to maintain consistent warmth. It's perfect for homeowners who want high performance without the extra bulk. Tap the description for product links. This one's a reliable workhorse with sleek styling. ComfortBilt HP50S pellet stove. This beast is built for serious heating. With an 80-pound hopper and up to 50,000 BTUs, the HP22N kept our 2,800 square foot test space toasty, even during sub-zero nights. The smart controller made it easy to dial in the perfect temperature, and the EPA certification gave us peace of mind on emissions. What really impressed us was the bay window design. It's not just functional, it's gorgeous. If you want a high-capacity, low-maintenance stove that looks as good as it performs, this one's a top-tier pick. Check the description for links and best prices. We found some killer deals on this powerhouse. Compact but mighty, the HP50S surprised us during testing in a 2,000 square foot cottage. With a 47-pound hopper and 42,000 BTUs, it heated the space efficiently while taking up minimal room. The European-inspired design fits modern interiors, and the Arctic white finish adds a clean, premium look. It's ideal for smaller homes, cabins, or anyone tight on space but big on style. Hit the description for specs and pricing. This one's proof that small can still be powerful. Cleveland Iron Works number 200 medium pellet stove. This stove brought smart tech into the mix. We tested it in a mid-sized home and were blown away by the built-in Wi-Fi and app control. The 60-pound hopper gave us solid runtime, and the whisper-quiet blower kept things cozy without the noise. EPA certified and remote ready, it's perfect for tech-savvy homeowners who want control and comfort. Check the description for deals. This one's a smart upgrade for modern living. Now for something totally different. We took the Hori 5 on a weekend camping trip, and it was a game changer. This portable pellet stove doubles as an oven, making it perfect for outdoor cooking, hot tent heating, or off-grid living. The stainless steel build held up to rugged use, and the included chimney pipes made setup a breeze. If you're into hiking, van life, or survival prep, this stove is a must-have. Tap the description for ordering info. This one's built for adventure and flavor. We tested these stoves in real homes, real weather, and real scenarios, and each one brought something unique to the table. Whether you need whole home heating or a portable stove for the wild, there's a perfect match here. Smash that like button, subscribe for more hands-on gear reviews, and don't forget to check the description for product links and best prices we found during testing. Stay warm out there.